All right, we're live once again. Let's see, today is August 20th. It is Wednesday, 9:26 a.m. right now. Market opens in about 3 minutes, give or take. Let's see real quick what we're working with today. Okay, so today we're working with, let's see, we got 50.848. Didn't really take a trade in yesterday. Made like 20, I think 20 something bucks, I forgot, but nothing crazy, nothing good particularly. I was looking at the market. I was looking at the market pretty like later on, and I saw some trades. I didn't really take any per se. I could have taken some, but I didn't. So yeah, that's what we're moving on pretty much today. So let's see, let's see. All right, we're good on this end. Let's see, hold on. Let's just clear out these real quick. All right, so MNQ, we failed to tap into this weekly, but we did tap into this. Oh no, we didn't. We didn't. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. No, so we tapped into this daily in MES, push back up, and seems we're sweeping right now. We swept this high up here, I think, and might be pushing back down, maybe. And there's just once again this daily right here, which we took out this low right here in the weekly. In the daily, we respected this FEG right here in MES. And in MNQ, we just went to these lows, swept them up, and pushed back up. And then we swept up here as well. Actually, that's not what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at the wrong one. My fault. Yeah, no, we're looking closer. We're looking at these levels right here. We tapped into this daily right here in MES, and we respected it. And now we're creating a new daily FEG here. And then MNQ, we had this FEG right here, which we're currently working on, still technically respecting, but once again, we also want to create this up here. We might be selling off though, maybe to these lower levels, possibly speaking. We might still be bearish, I think, for today. Still, not sure. Okay, so looking into the 4 hour. Let me just mark out this daily because even though it has solidified, this still can maybe act as a inverse, possibly speaking. There's oh wait, there's FG. Yeah, there's right here. Right here. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. We have this large 4 hour FEG here. Again, I think we're still bearish. Want to push back into that, maybe push back down. And similarly right here, 4 hour FEG right here, which we did tap into and are also once again pushing back down. In the 15 minutes MNQ, we have 9:30 open. Market just open. I am here a little late, I'll be honest. See, we have London open at 3. Nope. York, London, and Asian 1800. Right now, it seems we're pushing back down to these levels. So we have London low right here. We have London high up here. Asian low down here. And Asian high up here. Bam. So it seems we're right now we are pushing to these lower levels. What I'm thinking we want to do is maybe take out these lows and push into this 4 hour up here, possibly. I'm gonna get rid of this because technically with this we actually no, we haven't disrespected it just yet. But if it does want to push up, it'll probably take out these lows and go back up. Let's look at MES. Once again, we have market open at 9:30 York. We have 3 o'clock London, and then we have Asian 1800. And then we have the London low right here. London high, which we took out London high. We took out London high. And then we have Asian high right around here. Around here. And London low, I mean Asian low right here. So we took out London session high in MES. We haven't in we haven't in MNQ. So what I think I want to see is if we do want to push lower. Did we take out this low already? Hold up. Okay, so what I think we want to do, so I think MES took out this high, and I think what it wants to do since it took out the high is push through these lows. Now that it's taking out the high, MNQ I think he just wants to push through those. So we have an SMT right here. Um, we have once again this low right here. Nope, wrong one. Low right here. Maybe look into the larger time frame, 4 hour. We could possibly be aiming for these lows right here. Maybe. I'm not sure though. I think we might just want to dip in here, respect this, and push back up into this 4 hour FEG over here. I feel. I don't think we want to go too low. But yeah, we dipped straight down into this level right here. I mean, Q took out the high. Yeah, we're bearish right now, but trying to figure out what we want to do. Because we're respecting this 1 hour up here in MES, come down, respecting this 1 hour. I don't think it'd be crazy to think we want to push down here, but what I think I would want to see is push us see us. Actually, maybe I could take a smaller trade. Possibly. I think what I want to see is us close below maybe this low, around these below these lows. Maybe target this level right here and go down to this level right here, aiming towards this previous low right here. Can I shorten this a little bit? There it is. We didn't close below it, but well, we closed below it in the 1 minute. So I wonder if this is crazy right here. Once again, MES did take out the high. We just took out this high. We're bearish. I think we want to form maybe this FEG here and then respect it. Honestly, an entrance here wouldn't be crazy. MES took out the high. We have an SMT, so I think we're bearish still. But honestly, even maybe MES looks better. Just took out that low. I mean that this liquidity sitting down here. So if I do this and aim towards down here, my stop loss right up here. We just took we just took we just took the yeah, so I'm gonna go with I think we have something in MES right now. So if I go in with 9 at oh, 6425.0. 6425.0. We just took out low. We just took out the high. We're bearish. We're bearish. Yeah, we respected this FEG and MNQ. We're taking out London low. And I think we want to aim for this London low right here as well. So I'm in MES, I'm gonna wait for this entrance right here. Stop us right above here. Go in with 10 contracts, see how that goes. Contracts at that level. 6425.0. Yes. We just took out this high. And we're aiming for this for this to aim to this end right here. We took out this internal, yeah, we swept up this internal low, we pushed below it. So to see us come back up here and respect I think an entrance here would have been good. Yeah, I think we want to push down to these levels. I don't think I was locked in enough here at this point. I guess what I want to see is unless I see an entrance here, I might take this entrance right here at this. Maybe that's good enough. And I mean, confluence is not as good, but yeah, I'm hoping we could push up here in MES this level right here. And maybe in regards to MNQ, maybe we still wanna, well, maybe we could create an FEG, but I mean, maybe we can actually, hold up. Maybe we could do this and push to this lower level. That's too much of a gap, you know. Maybe here, but I don't think that would be a smart idea. But yeah, I think I missed my entry in MNQ. Yeah, I missed my entry. I should have taken an entry here. This level. Aim for this lower this sell side liquidity down here, just above this high. Bam, that would have been great. I missed my entry right there. I was hoping it would push back and it didn't. And well, that is what it is. Um, yeah, that's not gonna retrace right now. That's gonna just aim for those lows and push back up. But it might reverse and might aim for the Asian highs. And while it takes out this liquidity, it'll probably push back into this 4 hour right here. And that also technically respect this daily. Retracing right now. Hopefully, want to see it push into this 1 minute FEG, take out these highs and come back down. In this case, we want to see push up, respect this maybe, and then maybe take out this high and then come back down as well. I'm still hoping that once we retrace back up here, take out these highs at least. I could have taken an entry here, but yeah, there it is. Just gonna take out this low too. Oh, didn't? No, it's definitely gonna push into it though for sure. No way it's not. Yep, there it is. I could have taken an easy sell there, but I missed my entry, and that happens. That would have been honestly, I read the chart pretty well. I just missed my entry entirely. Like I was gonna aim for here. I was hoping it would push back a little bit more one more time up here. I was gonna enter this point, but I missed it. And this was 4 minutes into market. Um, I mean it is what it is, but no. But I wonder if we want to push lower is my question. I don't see why we would. I think we would want to retrace at this point, honestly. But I think we want to do that something here. But I think it's gonna be enough to retrace the 4 hour FEG up here. I mean, technically this got respected already. Little weird thing about it. Unless we want to, unless we do want to come down all the way down here. In which case, do we really want to come down all the way down here? Maybe lower. Oh. A little pressed because I missed my entry. I mean, I can't do anything about it right now. I'm not gonna force one either. Lose money, but uh, Keep on pushing down. So now I'm trying to think to myself, what is it that we want to do? I don't know where I'm aiming at, unless we're aiming down at where are we aiming at? Where are we? If anything, maybe I want to see retrace here, possibly here, above these highs. This one got cooked up already. I think we're just pushing deeper into the or into this FEG right here. We might want to push lower, but I want to see how we react here, and then we can make an entrance maybe to this lower level right here. Assuming it wants to take out this liquidity. Because there's a 1 hour FEG there. But honestly, I don't see why we wouldn't want to, honestly. So I guess maybe we can take an entry there, possibly, assuming we want to lower. But yeah, we missed an entry today. Damn. I gotta see how it reacts at this level. Otherwise, I'm not taking an entry because it could easily reverse after taking out that Asia, and I mean that London low. Oh, wait, no, this is Asia. This is Asia low. My fault. Nope. I think. Are we really trying to push lower? This isn't an FEG. At any point, it could just reverse. The only way I can see is that maybe he does want to push lower, but in this case, MES wants to push these lows, which once again is also very uh, highly viable option. So I want to see us push to these lows, see how we react, respect an FEG up here somewhere. Because I think we want to push here, maybe into this 5 minute, and then maybe reject back off of it towards this low right here. But yeah, I missed my entry here. MQ had a good setup in here. MES took out this high, created an SMT, and then we pushed down, swept up this was it Asia low? No, London low. Swept up the London low, pushed up into this 1 minute FEG, and then pushed right back down and towards this low I had marked earlier. Uh, yeah. So cancel this MES. This is not happening. So possibly what I want to see is okay. So we just took out that low crate. We just took out this low basically. I think I want to see an enters here at 6407.75. Yeah, I think we want to go to this low right here. I need some sort of retracement though, otherwise it's not gonna be valid. Yeah, I don't wanna just go in at market. But yeah, this is dipping crazy. This is definitely shooting toward this level right here. Damn, this would have been a great entry had I been paying attention, I guess, maybe. Does it want to, or does it want to just keep on pushing down? Yep, there it is. Just keep on pushing down. But I operate based on pullbacks. So that's what I'm gonna stick to. 6-4. Oh, this is 6404.75. I want to pull back in here unless we want to just tap into this right here. I'm gonna just keep a very tight stop loss at this point right here. I think tap into this FEG and run down to this low right here. Hopefully take out this low, push up here, and then help. That'll be enough to push back down all the way down. Yeah, that wasn't enough. Oh, yeah, we tap into it right there. Ah, would have been a great entry. Damn, that RR would have been insane. There's no way we're going any deeper. This is gonna retrace back up. Unless we want to take out these lows, which I doubt. Do we want to take out these lows? It's a low right here. Selling, very tight stop loss. The MNQ though, taking profit at 23,108. a 2.5, and then above this high, put it at 1.5. Damn it. I gotta stop doing that. Why did I do that? FOMO really is. FOMO really is annoying. Ah, that hurt. That hurt bad. Yeah, well, that's um that's what happens when you don't have discipline. 500 bucks right there. Just because I missed this move. Yeah, and get more transparent than that. All right. Um, Tomorrow's a new day, and yeah, hopefully this gives people an insight what not to do. Um, but yeah, I got cooked, and that's it. So again, tomorrow's Thursday. Hopefully, new trading day. But all right. So deuces.